Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you about one of the most graceful and fascinating creatures in nature, giraffes. Giraffes are known for their long necks and unique appearance, making them one of the iconic animals of Africa. If you're ready, let's dive into the enchanting world of giraffes. The most striking feature of giraffes is, of course, their height. A giraffe can reach an average height of 4.5 to 6 meters, about 15 to 20 feet. This incredible height is what sets them apart from other animals. But what's the purpose of their long necks? Giraffes feed on leaves from tall trees, allowing them to find food without competing with other animals. Giraffes also have very interesting tongues. Their tongues are long and dark bluish-black in color, measuring about 45 centimeters, 18 inches. These long tongues help giraffes grasp leaves from trees easily. Thanks to the thickness of their tongues, they can even feed on thorny plants without any trouble. Giraffes are social animals and usually live in small groups called towers. These groups mostly consist of female giraffes and their young. Male giraffes, on the other hand, often live alone or in bachelor groups. Giraffes communicate through a mix of body language, subtle sounds, and even through infrasonic vocalizations, sounds that are too low for humans to hear. Interestingly, making eye contact helps strengthen social bonds among giraffes. They also groom each other by licking, especially between mothers and calves. Did you know that baby giraffes, called calves, are already about 1.8 meters, 6 feet tall at birth? They usually stand up and walk within just a few hours after being born. This is crucial for survival in the wild, where predators are always a threat. The birth itself is quite a dramatic event. Since giraffes give birth standing up, the calf experiences a 1.5-meter drop to the ground. But don't worry, this helps stimulate the baby to take its first breaths. You might be surprised to learn that giraffes sleep very little, often just 30 minutes to 2 hours a day, and they rarely lie down completely because getting up quickly is difficult and can make them vulnerable to predators. Instead, they usually sleep while standing, taking short naps throughout the day and night. Even though giraffes look calm and gentle, they can be fierce when they need to protect themselves. A giraffe's kick is powerful enough to kill a lion. Their long legs aren't just for walking, they're a strong defense mechanism, especially when protecting their young. Because of their height, giraffes need a very strong heart to pump blood all the way up to their brains. In fact, a giraffe's heart weighs around 11 kilograms, about 25 pounds. Their blood pressure is also the highest among land animals. Their bodies have special valves and thick artery walls to manage this extreme pressure without harming their organs. Unfortunately, giraffes are currently under threat. Over the past few decades, giraffe populations have declined significantly due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Some subspecies of giraffes are now listed as endangered, but there's hope. Conservation organizations are working hard to protect giraffes through habitat restoration, anti-poaching efforts, and community education programs. And you can help too, by spreading awareness, supporting wildlife organizations, and encouraging sustainable practices. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the incredible world of giraffes. I hope you've learned something new and gained a deeper appreciation for these majestic animals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. See you next time.